Dear students, greetings to all. In this module, we'll be discussing phylum Chordata belonging to kingdom Animalia. Firstly, we'll talk about the last phylum, that is phylum Chordata. It includes animals which have got the following characteristics. That means they have notochord, a dorsal tubular nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits. Now, what is a notochord? It is a flexible rod located in the mid dorsal line between alimentary canal and the nerve cord in case of embryo. The other characteristics of the chordate include that they exhibit triploblasty, they've got three layers, they are true coelomate organisms. Now let us talk about the differentiation between chordates and non-chordates. Notochord is found in the embryonic stage, whereas in non-chordates it is absent. CNS is dorsal, hollow and single, whereas in non-chordates it is ventral, solid and double. Pharyngeal gill slits in chordates present, in non-chordates absent. Ventral heart and post-anal tail are present in chordate. If heart is present, it will be dorsal in non-chordates, and non-chordates lack the presence of post-anal tail. Now, let us discuss about the classification of chordate. Various classification schemes have been proposed for chordata. Basically, when we talk about the classification, the most accepted one is the one which comprises of the where chordata is classified into subphylum Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and the Vertebrata. Talking about the subphylum, that is Urochordata, which is placed under the group, that is we are having it as Acraniata. So here we see that the notochord is present only in the larval tail, and body is made up of a layer referred to as tunichin. They are marine. They are hermaphrodite in nature. That means they are bisexual, have both sex organs. Cephalochordata, the notochord from head to tail is present from head to tail region and is persistent throughout the life. They have fish-like body. They are exclusively marine organisms. The sexes are separate, that means they are unisexual. Example, Amphioxus or lancelet, Branchiostoma. So here is the diagrammatic representation of Amphioxus possessing notochord, nerve cord, the gill slits. At the end they have the presence of anus. Now talking about vertebrata, they possess notochord only during the embryonic period. Here it can be seen the diagrammatic representation of a vertebrate embryo is given, which shows the presence of a notochord, post-anal tail, the dorsal nerve cord and pharyngeal pouches. The heart, which is muscular, is ventrally situated. Excretion as osmoregulation takes place through kidneys. There are a pair of appendages which are referred to as fins or limbs. Notochord is replaced by cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in case of adult. Thank you for being a patient listener.